right, we need about 2 beers. Beam, what do you need? 2 beers? Yo, anybody, 2 beers? Stat. I'll pay you here. I'll give you the money. Stop it. Clemo for Fool's Game stepped up. He is going to keep this band hydrated. God bless Fool Game.
Yo, let's move up, Phoenixville, fill this shit in. This is 90 hardcore shit. Bring it up, bring it up. Hey, yo. Yo, if you know this fucking band, where's the fucking beers?
What's up? Clemo, get the fuck over here.
We want to know who's wrestling fans out here. Put your hands up in the air, one finger. Raise your fingers to the sky. This shit goes out to. This goes out to Cappy. The original drummer from Freight Train. This is Cappy shit, let it off. And for everyone who's been here, this is Freight Train. This is the 9th circle. This song goes out to Max. Philly old new hardcore.
What's up? What's up? We got a lot of special guests in the house. Oh my God. Our homie Stick from Fury. Fury of Fighters in the house.
He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been cheating on your diet.
Where the ho is that? What do you got? What do you got?
Merry Stickmas, motherfucker! This song's called Cold Steel Gate!
Suffer! It's Suffer! Now we're going with Suffer! Let's do it! Suffer! We are the experience! We are the pain in your heart! We are the suffering! That's it! Gold and hard! Feel them! Yes! Feel people! Holding back! To the time one night you get us up! We're listening walking! Now you walking! Talk more shit with the knife in your back! It's about the survival! Get the rival! Face the fire! Look out for my friend! Sorry, you guys aren't ready for that. Give me a second. Let it ride, baby. Let it ride. Get the mop. Get the mop. Yo, the floor is wet. What? I don't care. Fuck them. Fuck them. Who gives a fuck? Punk rock. It's a basement show.
Yo. How's it change?
Hey, yo, it's a basement show. Fuck them.
I can't hear nothing of it.
All right, shout out. All right. Whoa. Hold on. We got a lot of guys who are working tonight. I'm gonna give a shout out to Brad, to Past, to Abar. I'm gonna give a shout out to
Move
Matt
up,
Walsh.
motherfuckers! You got a hardcore legacy up in this motherfucking house. You got Beauty of 5, Freight Train. You got Punishment, Bad Luck. Move up!
Fuck everyone, let's go! Let's do one more. One more.
Yo, can we do that without being homies with the right people, like Stick and Cody? Huh?
Yo, shout out to my old heads. The freight train wouldn't exist without a Fury of 5. It just wouldn't.
Nah, no one in the 90s. Well, you know, it was close.
Freight train wouldn't exist without Bad Luck 13.
You're older. Nah, you're older than us. We had Fury, Joe knows.
You want to improvise a little homicidal? Yeah. You guys don't want that. You know, we're going to have a show here again.
Yo, Dennis! Dennis! What fucking Arby's did you go to? Did you go on Ridge Pike?
Tax free, he dumb.
Yo, he's done, he's done.
Tax free, he dumb.
Hey, yo. With all seriousness, whoa. Hey.
Tax free,
With all seriousness, as per usual, we have no merch, because fuck you. And, wait, hang on. A lot of people started comparing us to the Fugazi of hardcore, and they're like, you can't have merch.
Unplug the mic. Unplug the mic, Joe. Unplug the mic.
And who am I to say we're better than Fugazi? But if you have some money, please support my homies Fool's Game, the guys that are out here every fucking weekend.
Where's that young kid who started that shit out his band? The band luck covers, he'd open this shit up tonight. There's some young kids respecting the fucking scene.
Who's ready for Fright Train? Bull scared.
Let's do it.
Yo,
Come on, let's do
you
it.
guys
That's
are
right. That's right.
intimidating.
Come on, come on, come on. Yo.
Oh, here we go. Everyone that sings, and you do good, your action, and play. Sing off the road, right? Like a friend, and your day comes to you by the way you think. Work out this, this fucking thing. Now be down, free, you my thing. You rule the town. Go! Where you think you're from? Go! Now! In the... Go! Now! Someone in the ground! Go! Now! Life! Their pain! You taste it! Slaughter like a phoenix! My flesh our blood! Walk, shit, walking, search, fuck, fuck. What to do? Rap, we fuck, sing, sing. One on the, one back, with them, time with me. Think you rule this town? Yeah. In a jumping ground. Whoa, yeah. In the blood underground. Whoa, yeah. That just goes in the ground. You motherfucker! Are you think you're hard? You think you can boss? Let's go! Nothing's up there, there's a planet outside. Nothing's ahead! Nothing's ahead! Nothing's okay, there's a planet outside. Hey yo! Hey yo, that song goes out to our homie. Nicky Money, horror show, nothing.
I want to say, all you motherfuckers, this young kid's showing your shit up. Move up, motherfuckers. This is the 2000 hardcore. Get the fuck up here.
Freight train.
Freight train, Max. This shit goes out to Max.
Yo, this is one of our new ones. Worst of the worst, we never played this one.
Oh, worse or worse. We never played this one. This song goes out to everybody that's in the Nine Circle crew.
Max, of course. Trevor. Matt Walsh.
Wow. A lot of heavy hitters.
Yo, Abbar.
Yeah, shout out to
Bush.
Albar.
Everybody.
Steve Bush.
That's a name. Carmen. Fuck. Carmen, dude. Carmen. Carmen. Stony.
Wow.
A lot of falling. And now, the Nine Circle, everybody. They know what it is.
gave up. We lost that talk. Our bond is too strong. Won't never fall. Looking back through the end. Making havoc, blowing the beer. We run the city we're gone. We took the fear, the fear of the law. There's no surrender, no retreat. Everything's on, no room for the weak. All room for more. It's not that first. James the Philly, we're on the world. This is all the one that's up. To the end of one free man. Pretty good, dad, coming back. See the more than a last one. Who carried out the one in the town. See the more than the last one. Who's in the sea. And so this. Our legacy.
Hell yeah.
This is Slave, Diego, our brother Cappy, Max, we're all missing. Can you motherfuckers celebrate with this old hardcore? Joe, put this shit on, move up. I want to see this whole fucking dance floor wrecking motherfuckers. Move up, you fucking faggots.
It's not my place to say, but if someone from Baylock 13 wants to say it, move the fuck up. Move the fuck up. What are you scared?
He's sorry. He's sorry.
Yo, hey, yo, where are you at? Move up. Yo, my homie with the hoodie on acting hard. Move up. Move up. Yo, there you go. Come on, yeah. Come on, man. Shit ain't sweet. I know.
Wait.
Hardcore so macho.
Yo. Stop. This is our last song. Songs keep legions. Goes out to Max, my cousin. Here we go. Ready for war! Unreleased! America! Mercy! Nevermore! You rise on top! Because of now! No bomb can direct! Matter of fact, you get free! What's up? They're all for the second! Bring through the smoke! I'm back and back! That's why you make me stand! You leave a mark! The night circle from the night! In and out! Legion! They gather! Jack! Ready for war! Unreleased! Long anger! Mercy! Nevermore! Legion! They gather! Jack! Ready for war! Unreleased! Long anger! Mercy! Nevermore! What's up, motherfucker? Let's fucking do it!
all. No merch, fuck you.
Oh, we love you. Oh, we love you.